Riding a bicycle. Riding a bicycle is an enjoyable, healthy, and practical activity loved by people of all ages. A bicycle consists of two wheels, a seat, pedals, handlebars, and a chain. Learning to ride one is an exciting adventure, especially for children. At first, it might seem challenging to balance, but with practice, anyone can ride confidently. Cycling is an excellent form of exercise that strengthens our legs, improves balance, and keeps the body fit. Regular cycling also boosts heart health and reduces stress. Many people use bicycles not only for fun, but also as a convenient and affordable way to travel short distances, to school, work, or nearby shops. Bicycles are also environmentally friendly since they do not burn fuel or produce smoke like cars or motorbikes. Riding helps reduce air pollution and traffic congestion, which is why many cities encourage cycling. When riding, it's important to follow safety rules. Always wear a helmet, obey traffic signals, and stay on the correct side of the road to prevent accidents. In summary, cycling is a fun, healthy, and eco-friendly activity. It provides exercise, saves money, and protects the environment. Everyone should try cycling regularly for a fitter and happier life.